Welcome back, HealthWorks family, and welcome to my desk. Today, I'm going to be talking about stretches that are very important that I utilize on a regular basis when I'm sitting at my desk and doing work and not doing adjustments. So first things first, you have probably caught yourself doing this, but when you sit at your desk and you're looking at your computer screen, you ever do this? Like it helps you see doing that. Can you imagine the amount of times during the day that you crane that neck and head forward to look at your screen and how that is affecting all of the muscles back here in your neck? Not to mention, we're all on these keyboards. We are all running the mouse during the day. Okay. We see people complaining of wrist pain all the time. Let's talk about what's causing that. Okay. First things first, let's start with the wrist, because that is something where people come in with wrist pain. They think they have carpal tunnel, similar symptoms even to carpal tunnel. And really what they're doing is boop, boop, boop. They're running this tiny mouse all day. Do you know the muscles that actually run this mouse and run your hand and do this motion are all in this forearm? Okay. When we're doing that on a regular basis, and you can see mine, it makes these muscles get tight. They get tired. They get fatigued. We're working them. They're so small, though. We don't think about that. So a good way to stretch these muscles here, you want your arm straight out. You're going to take this hand and pull that hand and wrist down. Okay. Now I'm going to show you. I'm going straight right now, but you can go to the side. You can go to this side. You can pull on the pinky a little bit and see if that increases that stretch. These are all really good for this top part of the forearm. However, you have this other side. A lot of people forget about this side because, again, it is not as painful. So you're going to just stretch like this to get the inside of that forearm a really good stretch. Now, how are we going to take care of our neck and shoulders after we've been chicken pecking at our screen all day? So easy, easy. Grab the bottom of your chair, stretch the neck to the side, and that's going to give you a nice big pull right through here. And you can see this muscle's tight for me as well. I do have to do these stretches myself. The next stretch, and I really enjoy this one. I think it's hilarious, but it works so well for like the muscles right back here and into this big trap muscle. You're going to take your nose right over to your armpit, just like this. Now you want to pull nice and gently on your head, and you're still going to hold on to the chair because you don't want this shoulder hiking up. That's not going to do anything. So keep that head down and towards the armpit. That's why I've nicknamed this stretch the check for BO stretch. Okay, now you'll never forget it and you'll do it at your desk every day. If you have any other questions, concerns about stretching at your desk, or if you think you've got carpal tunnel syndrome and we need to check that elbow, let us know.